All right, guys, there we go. Rear end is pulled and getting ready to put it on my truck now. This was a task. The next task is putting it in the truck, taking out the truck, taking out my old one and putting in this one and bringing that other one as a core. It's a new truck. Just came in and it's exactly what I need. The only thing, the gear ratio is a little off. I have a 373 and this is a 323, so it's better for highway. It does not have the G80 locker in it, so that's a lot better. I'll be honest, the G80 locker, I've been doing a lot of homework, has a lot of failure points in it, and I just wanted something with old-fashioned. It'll be nice to have a locker, but honestly, I'm not going off-roading. But yeah, this thing, the gears were all good, not that much metal, a little bit of bruising on the spider gear, but it's not that bad. Honestly, this could probably get me by for like maybe 3 years. But yeah, it's drum brakes and everything, so it's everything I need. There's no sensors on it, just like mine, so it's just a direct bolt on. It doesn't have the G80, but I kind of don't want the G80. There it is, taking the little 5, getting ready to go. This is what I took it off of right here. So the next tangle is putting it on the cart and wheeling it all the way up to the paying counter. But dude, it's a lot better than spending upwards of 700 bucks for one. This might run me maybe 400 bucks, but it's all good. It has everything I need. All the lines are good. I ran the Carfax on it. It looks like it had like 146 on it. The frame was in good shape, except for the back bumper. It's a pool truck, so yeah. All right, guys, this is heavy. I'm gonna struggle with this thing, put on the wheelbarrow, and I'm gonna get it to the parts counter. Damn. Guys, thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, more videos to come. If you guys are wondering, the truck has a GU5 in it, which is a G23. It doesn't have any lockers. Everything matches everything pretty good. So long story short, everything inside internally is good. I took pictures. I just want to get out of here. I am so happy I found a rear end for my truck, and I hope it's only a rear end issue. It's not nothing else like a transmission. If it is a transmission, I gotta come back out here, but I'll tell you what, I'm not doing that alone. Yeah, I might have to call for help for this. I literally I'm struggling, but hey, we got it. Never give up. I kept looking. This truck just came in, literally came in last night. Got drum brakes and everything I needed. It's not what I wanted, 373, but it doesn't have the G80 in it. It's a highway gear. I'm not planning on putting a tow hitch on my truck anyways. I'm not planning on towing with it. So guys, catch you later. Peace out. Deuces. In life, freaking gotta work for what you got. Peace.